Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the document so Word can build an accurate index. First, apply consistent heading styles and decide which phrases matter. This ensures automation works. Next, highlight a term and use references mark entry to tag it. You can add a sub-entry or cross-reference while marking. Once done, repeat efficiently. Use keyboard shortcuts or the Mark All button to tag duplicates. And keep your index terms consistent so entries sort predictably when you generate the index. Now you configure how the index will look and why each option matters. Go to References, Insert Index, and pick a format. Columns affect readability in print, while right-aligned numbers help scanning. Choose Sort Order and whether subentries are indented, because indentation conveys hierarchy. Preview the layout. If a term spans pages, decide between page ranges or individual entries. Make sure to set tab leaders and column count to match your document width. Then click OK to insert a live index. Finally, you complete the task by updating and verifying accuracy. After edits, right-click the index and choose Update field. Changes do not apply automatically. If entries are missing, make sure hidden formatting or inconsistent spacing isn't preventing marks. Reopen mark entry for those phrases. If you see duplicates, standardize capitalization and punctuation, or replace duplicates with a cross-reference to avoid clutter. Troubleshooting tip. If the index still misbehaves, toggle Show /hide to reveal hidden marks, then remark and update again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.